So, ayan. Almost all of these strands, nalagyan naman na. Yan. Set aside. Tapos punta ulit tayo dun sa kabila. So, hello everyone. It's me again, Vhiele, and welcome back to my channel. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin is to color our hair. But before that, I would like to greet you a Merry Christmas or belated Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, everyone. Have a prosperous 2019. Mabuhay. So that's it, guys. So today we'll be using the L'Oreal Paris New Excellence Fashion. So eto yun. On the shade 7.1 or Light Brown Beige. Ay, Beige Light Brown. I'm so sorry. So, ayan. Here's the color of my hair today. So, madami nang napagdaanan yan. I hope mag-e-effect siya dito sa hair ko. Okay. So, before we start, guys, we'll be opening the box first. Okay? So, ang laman niya are the leaflet, a gloves, this is the developer, the cream coloran, the protective pre-color serum. Oh, ayan siya, guys. And then, meron pa palang isa. Oh, the protective conditioner. I think ito yung gagamitin natin after natin magkulay. So, let's get started, guys. Before we start, we'll be reading first the user's guide or yung manual. So, first, read the instructions, guys. Or else, alam nyo na. So, may advisory sila dito wherein within 48 hours, or you should first do a skin allergy test wherein yun yung ilalagay mo dito sa back of your ear. So, ayun na nga. And then, yun. Read nyo yung mga ingredients. Baka may mga allergies kayo doon or mga allergens kayo doon. So, be careful, guys. So first, sabi niya dito is squeeze a generous amount of the protective pre-serum. So, sabi dun sa basa ko or napanood ko online, we should be putting it on the dry areas. So, let's start! Wish me luck, guys! So, ayun na nga. Huwag niyo pala siyang iwawash, basta stay it as is down. Okay? So, ayan na, guys. We are starting now. So, I believe yung dry areas ko are the ends. Let's put it there. Lalagay ko na lang lahat para bongga. So, 12 ml lang pala ang laman nito. So, I think that's barely enough. Ay, so, ayan. Lagay din sa likod. Don't forget the back. Para bongga, diba? Ayan, sa back ko naman siya ilalagay kasi madami na tayong nilagay sa front. So, I think we're done. So, sabi niya dito, use on dry hair, apply on damaged parts of the hair, especially on the ends. So, tama yung ginawa natin. Do not wash out. So, while waiting it to set on our hair, para alam niyo na maprotektahan talaga ng bongga, we'll mix the developer and the coloran. So, sabi niya dito, pore cream colorant. Ito, pore cream colorant dito sa developer. Then, place the applicator. Tapos, shake vigorously. So, let's do it, guys. Pero first, we'll use their protective, high-quality protective gloves. So, let's start, guys. So, I've decided to remove my clothes para hindi naman alam nyo na, makulayan yung mga damit-damit natin. So, I'll first use the protective gloves. It's very small. Maliit siya sa kamay ko, guys. Ayan. Pero sakto lang naman pa. We'll just need to adjust. And then the other one, para bongga. So, ayan. Maglalagay na rin ako ng towel dito sa paligid para maprotektahan din tayo. So, ayan. Okay. Pero, we'll be mixing the products first. So, ayan. Remove the cap. Fairness, wala siyang amoy. Pero yung pre-serum nila is ang bango-bango. Then, ayun. So, let's place it all. Siguro lahat ilalagay. So, it's my first time to do a DIY hair coloring kasi mostly nagpapakulay ako dun sa hairstylist or dun sa tito ko na hairstylist. Shout out kay Tita Lay. Visit niyo naman yung salon niya, dyan sa mga taga Baguio. It is located dun sa Buyagan, near CCDC. Vhiele Trinidad area, dun siya located. Or you can visit his salon. I highly recommend him kasi magaling siya. Not to brag. So, ayan. Malapit na maubos yung product. Ayan. Okay. Naubos na natin siya. So, we'll be shaking. Mag-shake na tayo, guys. Sabi niya vigorously. Pero watch out, guys, baka sumabong siya. Baka shake yung bong. So, after shaking it, may compact applicator pala siya dito. Pwede nyo siyang ipalit after you shake it vigorously. Ito siya. Diba? Yung cute niya. So, yun yung gagamitin natin later. Shake. Bahala ka kung paano mo siya shake. Then after we shake, I think okay na siya. Medyo umiinit siya. We'll just replace the cup para amoy salon. Expect it. So, una-una i-replace ko muna siya. Sabi niya dito, apply color mixture first to your roots and stubborn grays. Part your hair into small even sections using applicator tip. Then, spread it through the hair. Para yung nakita ko dun sa tito ko or yung experience ko sa kanya is, yung ginagawa niya muna is, yun, tama. Isa-section natin siya. Pero yung sa kanya, sabi niya dun, apply in the roots. Para yung sa tito ko, at least may 1 inch from the roots kasi daw yung roots, yun yung madaling magkulay. So, yun na lang ang susundin ko. Okay. Let's section it first. Una dito sa likod. Bababa kasi natin dito. So, ayan guys. Pero, if you have some friends na gusto nyong kabanding, pwede nyo naman silang tawagin para magkulayan kayo ng buhok. Pero dahil wala akong friends ngayon, kukulayan ko siya on my own. So, baka ipa-fast forward ko ulit ito guys, para hindi ulit siya boring. Pero wait lang. Kukuha muna ako ng ipit. Kasi nasa bahay lang tayo. So, ayun guys. Start na tayo magkulay. I-comb ko lang ng konti itong buhok ko. So, ayun. First, try muna natin. Sakit siya sa mata. Ewan ko kung sensitive lang yung eyes ko or ganun talaga yung smell niya. May ear cup kayo, pwede nyo siyang ilagay. Pero in my case, wala akong ear cup, so let's bear with it, guys. So, slowly but surely, para pantay-pantay ang pagkulay. Diba, guys? Nakakakilo talaga yung amoy niya. Parang salon talaga siya. Walang bleaching effect ito kasi I hate to bleach my hair. So we'll leave it there for 15 to 20 minutes or 30 minutes na lang, guys. Ang daming nalalagas na hair, guys. So, here on my time, it's 9:32 p.m. So, it's been 15 minutes since nilagay ko yung coloran. So, susunod naman natin is yung roots. Naubos na natin siya, guys. We'll leave that for another 10 minutes para mapulayan yung ating roots, diba? So here it's ayan, 9:50 na, guys. So let's wait for it. So, ang susunod natin gagawin mamaya is to rinse. Pour a little warm water in the hair and massage gently. Rinse thoroughly until water runs clear. Evenly spread protective conditioner all over the hair. Then massage gently. Leave it for 2 minutes. So, baka hindi ko na siya i-fold mamaya. I'll just wash it later. So, ayan na, guys. It's been 30 minutes since kinulayan natin yung buhok ko. So, i-rinse off na natin siya, guys. And then, i-blower ko na din para makita natin yung kanyang effect. So, ayan na nga, guys. After how many minutes of drying my hair, eto na po yung outcome niya. Ayan po. Na-even out naman siya. So, I'll be having a snapshot of it or yung picture niya maybe here or here. Tapos, yan, i-compare niyo yung before and after niya. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and bell the notification button. So, see you on the next video, guys, and have a good day, good night, or good evening, everyone. Bye!